Imebainika kuwa baadhi ya wanaume nchini wamejikita kwenye ubugiaji wa pombe, swala linalochangia wengi wao kutowajibika katika majukumu yao na kuchangia mitafaruku katika familia. Hii ni kauli yake Wycliffe Mudavadi, ambaye ni afisa wa shirika la Principle Based Leadership, anayehoji kuwa mitafaruku hii inaweza kudhibitiwa tu iwapo wanaume watapata mafunzo na mwelekeo bora wa kulinda familia zao.
Most of the men wamejificha katika pombe. And how does that happen? The men decide, they wake up in the morning, they don't even go to look for small jobs to do. They don't even go to the shamba maybe to plow and do some small things that can prove, or they just can give them some money. But they go and sit where changa is, and then they take changa the whole day, leaving the responsibilities now to the women. These are some wounds that have been in these men, and that's why sometimes they become vengeance to the women. It's something that is back into their life, and so they try to exercise it when they have the families, and that's now they deal with the wife. And that's why you find men deciding not to take the responsibility as husbands and as fathers. You find in some families the wife is taking care of the kids, is providing the food to the family, and even sometimes even the man confidently tells the woman, give me something, I take some busa somewhere.
Hata hivyo, Mudavadi ametoa wito kwa jamii kutompa mtoto wa kike kipaumbele, badala yake kuhakikisha kuwa kuna usawa katika jinsia na kusawazisha maisha ya mtoto wa kiume sawa na yule wa kike. Willy Khaemba, Kurunzi, Bungoma.
And heading the family, according to what we teach, it's not about being violent or maybe being hard or maybe doing the things that are taken as being violent or the GBV, but this is taking the responsibility as a father, taking the responsibility as a husband, and also taking the responsibility as a man in the family.